The following message is transmitted at the request of Fresno County Emergency Management, in conjunction with the Clovis Police Department. A radiological hazard exists for the city of Clovis. At midnight Pacific Daylight Time, pink glowing radioactive materials have been spotted in the air, melting every structure down to their foundations. Surrounding areas have also reported the presence of these radioactive materials, along with damage to multiple structures. In addition, multiple fatalities have been reported in multiple neighborhoods due to the materials. Eyewitnesses have also reported a female individual shrouded in a pink radioactive aura roaming the streets of Clovis, laughing deviously while she does so. It appears this female is the suspect behind the sudden appearances of these materials. The Clovis Police Department and the Fresno County Emergency Management Agency asks all residents in and around Clovis to stay at home or to seek a fallout shelter at this time. For those seeking a fallout shelter, be sure to grab all essential supplies such as food, water, clothing, medication, first aid kits, a battery-operated or hand-cranked radio, and wear a mask rated NBC or higher. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for the latest on this situation.